Professor, Mr. Christopher C. Pulos, our dynamic school principal, Mrs. Maria Winilyn V. Puntanegra, Balamban District 2 school administrators, our supportive barangay officials, spearheaded by our barangay captain, Honorable Mario M. Laya, our active PTA officials, spearheaded by our PTA President, Mrs. Marcel T. Garcia, beloved teachers, loving parents, fellow graduates, good afternoon. Today is a momentous occasion, a culmination of our hard work, perseverance, and sacrifices. As we stand on this stage, we celebrate not only our individual achievements, but also the collective journey that has brought us here. This year's theme, Henerasyon sa Pagkakaisa, Kagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas, reminds us that our success is not solely our own. It is the reflection of the unity, support, and love that we have received from our families, teachers, and peers. As we step forward into the next chapter of our lives, we carry with us the lessons we've learned both inside and outside the classroom. We have faced challenges that tested our patience, determination, and courage, but we emerged stronger because we stood together. In unity, we found strength. In cooperation, we discovered solutions. And in kindness, we nurtured hope. The future of our nation lies in our hands, and it is up to us to use the knowledge and values we have gained to contribute to a bagong Pilipinas, one that is progressive, inclusive, and driven by the spirit of solidarity. To our parents and teachers, thank you for your unwavering support, guidance, and sacrifices. To my fellow graduates, this is not just an ending, but a new beginning. Let us move forward with a sense of responsibility, knowing that we are not just dreamers, but also doers. Let us be the generation that leads with compassion, integrity, and unity. May we always remember that true success is not measured by personal gain, but by the positive impact we create for our communities and for our country. Nalang may short message para sa ako ang papa. Pari, promise mo ka monhi ka para mo-attend sa ako ang graduation. Pero ang saan mo, wala naman ka nakaabot. Kibaw ko nga proud ka naman buha ni Ate. Nawidhay ning duha. Gabayin taong may kanunay o maningkamot ng niyang eskwela para sa amuang kaunawan. Congratulations, Batch 2025! Let us rise together, hand in hand, as we build a brighter, stronger, and more united Philippines. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.